Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this detailed guide, we will walk through the steps to diagnose and potentially repair your HP Spectre x360. Before we begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools ready. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a plastic spudger for prying open the casing. First, ensure that the laptop is completely powered off and unplugged from any power source. Remove the screws from the bottom panel. Typically, there are around 10 to 12 screws, so keep track of them as you will need to replace them later. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. If you're unsure about your ability to perform this task, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom panel. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips. Once the panel is off, you'll see the internal components of your HP Spectre x360. Inspect for any visible damage or loose connections. Now, if your laptop is not turning on, the issue may be related to the battery or motherboard. Check the battery connection first. If it's loose, reconnect it firmly. If you notice any corrosion or damage, it might be necessary to replace it. If you don't have the tools for this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the help you need. Next, let's focus on cleaning the internal components. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating and operational issues. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling. After cleaning, check the RAM and storage drives. If you're experiencing slow performance, reseat the RAM sticks or consider upgrading them if possible. To do this, release the clips on either side of the RAM module and pull it out gently. Slide in the new RAM at an angle and press down until it clicks into place. If you need assistance with upgrades, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you understand the costs involved. Once everything is secure, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the bottom panel back on and replace all screws, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so to avoid stripping them. If you followed these steps and your laptop still isn't functioning correctly, it may require professional help. Remember, we can assist with a professional diagnosis without obligation, and you won't have to make any calls or travel, just schedule a pickup. Finally, power on your HP Spectre x360 and monitor its performance. If issues persist, don't hesitate to reach out for expert assistance. We are here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.